I need your help. I gotta sell this Jeep. Listen, Jeeps aren't for me. I thought I might be a Jeep guy, but all my friends, they keep saying, oh, that's a Jeep thing. That's a Jeep thing. Oh, that's just a Jeep thing. But I'm used to driving this. And I'm just not built for that Jeep lifestyle, you know? So here's what we're doing. We're gonna start a YouTube channel because I can't be the only one out there, right? Like, this fucking Jeep, dude. So we gotta sell this Jeep. I got it listed right now. I'm gonna cut in the listing video. Gotta get rid of it. Hopefully so I can buy something, you know, reasonable, like a 40-year-old Toyota or something, you know. Anything would be better. And then we'll put tons in, or just something. We'll build something. But first, we've got to get the old bank accounts filled up, if you know what I mean. I'm sure you know what I mean. Everybody's hurting right now. Nobody's got money right now. Did I mention that I'm trying to sell a Jeep? Yeah, nobody's got money. But we'll find somebody with more money than sense, and we'll sell them this Jeep. It's got a Rubicon transfer case. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's been mildly built. You know what I mean? But it really is surprisingly capable off-road. But regardless, I need to sell it. You need to help me sell it. And we're gonna find something. We're gonna build it together. We're gonna document it on the interwebs, and I'm looking forward to getting started.